Hello, everyone. This is Janice again from Agnes and Dora Technology. This is round 2 of your training for a bunch of enhancements we're taking live in the morning. The first video I created is for the Bloom back office and for your Rev websites. The second video is for a bunch of kind of minor enhancements that we've done that hopefully will really help your business and help take your game up a level. So the first thing I'd like to show you is what we've done to the Connect with a Rep little pop-up. So I'm going to click on my Agnes and Dora pop-up, and we've added a bio. I think you can have 140 characters here, so you can type in whatever you'd like in this little section to, just a bio for yourself to show to your customers or whoever finds you. And then we've added this section called how would you like me to contact you, call, text, or email, and what would you like help with, become a rep, shop, or host a party. So preferred contact method, why they are inquiring, that should help you have better interactions with your customers. Okay, the next thing that we've done is we've added images to the add to cart pop-up. So let me go to dresses here and find something that's in stock, and I'll click add to cart. This is a test environment, so I'm not sure that I can add to cart this way. Let's jump into a party and do it that way. So I'll go to Bloom and click on parties and go to view my party. And I'm going to add a dress on my party. Okay, it's added. And I click on the add to cart pop-up, and you've got a thumbnail now. So both on the shop site and the party site, you've got a thumbnail on the add to cart. All right, and the next thing I'd like to show you on the party site, you're going to love this. If I click on this dress or this product, ignore the name. I was adding this picture to kind of test some things, so it's not got the right product name because we haven't launched this yet. It's coming very, very soon. But this is the image for it, and you can have multiple thumbnails showing for it, which you can already have now. But what's neat is when you click on the thumbnail, it'll scroll down to that part or to that image. And then when you hover over the image, you can see a larger version or zoomed in version on the right side. And if you click on the image, you can even see the full screen view of the picture, of any picture. Okay. Another feature that we've added, let me go to the checkout page, is local pickup. So you can specify for your customers if you want to offer local pickup. You can do this by party. So you can have some parties without local pickup. You can have some parties with local pickup. Let me show you how to actually configure this. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Let's go to your party site, and we'll look at this specific party that I'm running. And it says allow local pickup, yes or no. That's how you decide or choose whether you want to have local pickup for your party. You can add a note about local pickup for your customers to see. This is a special note for local pickup. So if you go to the party and look at it, it says this is a special note for local pickup. So the customer can choose whether they would like it shipped or like local pickup. Then when you actually get the order from the customer and you click on view, we've added this section that says shipping method, please ship or local pickup. So as you're going to fulfill the order, you can know whether they would like it shipped or if they want to come pick it up. Okay, for our next feature, if you go to the parties, let's go to orders actually. We've added several features here. So we've added a new column called party name so that you can actually filter by party. So you can see the party name and then you can filter by party. So I can choose to look at all orders from fall into fall, Katie, or party time. I can also filter by status, so I can say order placed, invoice, paid, shipped, or canceled. View all orders. Item quantity, we've thrown that on there so you can see how many items were purchased on the order. And then we've added this button called email order. And what that does is it'll resend their order confirmation, and you can add a message such as your order is shipped. So when you go collect payment on the order and actually ship it, you can add a message that says, I've shipped your order, and they'll get an email with their order confirmation in the message. Okay, and another feature that we've added is the ability to archive parties. So let's go to the party page. And we've added this new button called Archive. So if I click on Archive, the party will go away because it's in the archive view. And you can choose if you want to view your active parties or your archive parties. So you can always go look at the parties that you had previously, but they're not always visible. So you can just manage an easier list or volume of parties, just those that are active. Okay, let's go back to Edit Party. We've added this button that says Keep Party Open Permanently. I call this Endless Parties. We should probably change this to say Endless Party. Anyway, what this does is it keeps the date range open so that it will actually never close. So this might be a good option if you want to have this party on your rep website. We've added the ability to have multiple hosts on your party. So if you click on Add Host, you can put in their name, their email address, their phone number, and you can add up to 3 hosts per party. And when you throw the party, when you have the party, let me jump to the party here. It will show the host name under party time. It'll say party host and then up to 3 names below that. Okay. One other feature you can have on your parties that we've added is an easy way to make sure that, well, you can either select products the way you do today. So you can either click this checkbox that says all and it'll check all the product that you currently have and then deselect ones that you don't want. But some of you want your parties to always include everything no matter what, because perhaps you have all of these items here, but then you add a bunch of more items. They are unchecked by default because we don't want to assume that you want them in your party. We're not sure that you want to sell them yet. So we've added this button that says include all of my inventory. If you select this button, that means all of your inventory will always be in this party. So no matter what inventory you add in the future, it will always show up on this party automatically. And this is set at the party level. So maybe you want some parties that don't have this feature. So maybe you have a leggings party that's strictly leggings. So you would not want to check this button because you don't want to add anything that's not a legging. So that's a new feature we've added. That should help a lot of you as well. And then there are a few other features we've added, but if you watch the other video, that is the party site video, you'll see those. For example, the ability to see the countdown on all the pages. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy these features.